everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel DIY Repairs. Today we are going to repair this pocket side drone. You can see it's very small in size. Even it has a camera. The problem is that the battery inside this drone is not getting charged by the USB charger. This may be due to a bad battery or a faulty USB charger. So first we are going to check the battery. So let's open the drone. Here is another screw. We need to remove these two motor wires because it is very short compared to all other three motor wires. Now take out these four wires coming from the camera module. This helps in taking out the circuit board easily. This is the battery. It is a lithium polymer battery with a rating of 3.7 volt, 180 milliampere hour. Let's check the voltage of the battery with a multimeter. We can see that the battery is completely discharged. Now connect the USB charger and check the voltage across the battery. We see that only 0.41 volt is showing. Now take out the battery and check the voltage again. We see that instead of 4.2 volt, the USB charger is giving only 2.82 volt, which is insufficient to charge the battery. This means that the USB charger is defective. So let's open the USB charger. Now connect the USB charger to the 5 volt mobile charger and check the input and output voltage of the USB charger. We find that the input voltage is 5.29 volt and the output voltage is 2.84 volt. But lithium polymer battery requires 4.2 volt to get charged. Therefore, the USB charger is bad. Now we are going to check the battery. For this, we are going to use lithium ion battery charging module TP4056. Now charge the battery with this charging module. If the battery gets charged, then the battery is good. Otherwise, we will have to replace it with a new one. Check the battery after half an hour. The multimeter is showing 4.06 volt. This means our battery is good. So let's put the battery back in the drone. Since this USB charger is bad, we are going to build a charger for the drone using the mobile charger. Lithium ion battery charging module TP4056. The price of this charging module is about 50 rupees. We also need a plastic transparent box in which we will fit all these circuit boards. So let's start. First, take out the circuit board from the mobile charger. Now cut the mobile charger cabinet to remove the plug. Make two holes in the plastic cabinet so that the plug wires can go inside the plastic cabinet. Fit the plug in a transparent cabinet with glue. Connect the mobile charger board to this plug. Connect the TP4056 charging module to the 5-volt output of the charger board. I have already connected the drone charging cable to the output of TP4056 charging module, which I taken out from the old USB charger. Now let's check the charging current. We see that the battery is taking 124 mA current, which is less than 180 mAh rating of the battery. This is good. Now assemble all the circuit boards in this transparent cover with the help of double-sided tape. Our charger is working fine. When there is no battery connected to the charger, the blue LED of the charger module flashes. The red LED flashes when the battery is connected, and the blue LED flashes again when the battery is fully charged. Now let's check the drone. First configure the remote and the drone. You can see it is working perfectly.